Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Instant 2 cents Traffc video training. Designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instant 2 cents Traffc on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instant 2 cents Traffc in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest Instant 2 cents Traffc strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is Instant 2 cents Traffc all about? Video number 2. Researching Instant 2 cents Traffc keywords to target in your niche. Video number 3. Generating Instant 2 cents Traffc with a reach campaign on Facebook. Video number 4. Generating Instant 2 cents Traffc with a reach campaign on Google. Video number 5. Generating Instant 2 cents Traffc with a reach campaign on YouTube. Video number 6. Driving Instant 2 cents targeted visitors to your site with a Facebook ad. Video number 7. Targeting Gmail users with Instant 2 cents Traffc display ads. Video number 8. Generating Instant 2 cents targeted traffic from Facebook Messenger. Video number 9. Retargeting your Instant 2 cents site visitors with Facebook remarketing. Video number 10. Generating Instant 2 cents Traffc from Instagram with a promoted post. Video number 11. Generating Instant 2 cents Traffc from WhatsApp with a promoted message. Video number 12. Powerful strategies to narrow your audience or even lower cost traffic. Video number 13. Other Instant 2 cents Traffc sources you can try. Video number 14. Extra tips and tricks to lower your ad spend without sacrificing quality. Video number 15. The best alternative methods to generate more Instant 2 cents Traffc. Video number 16. Crazy effective strategies to increase free instant Traffc. Video number 17. Instant 2 cents Traffc do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Instant 2 cents Traffc premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Instant 2 cents Traffc success stories. Video number 20. Instant 2 cents Traffc frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Instant 2 cents Traffc on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training. What is Instant 2 cents Traffc? Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Instant 2 cents Traffc, our newest online training series. Thanks for adding this course to your online marketing knowledge library. And congratulations for your decision to keep learning and growing the smart way. Most online marketing companies out there will try to convince you that to get more results, you need to spend more. Well, that might be true for multi-billion-dollar companies. We've found that there are ways to get plenty of results from a small advertising budget. You can market your business for free, but results are not immediate. If you've been trying to grow your business online under a tight budget, we're pretty sure that you have researched and tried organic strategies in hopes of getting your business noticed without spending much. If you haven't tried that out yourself, we can bet you paid some self-proclaimed SEO expert a modest amount of money to get your business in the first page of results on Google. But you'll soon find that search engine optimization is just barely scratching the surface. It will only start generating traffic in 2 to 4 weeks, and not in the large quantities you're picturing. It's also not the type of traffic that converts. The truth of the matter is you have to spend money to make money. Granted, you do have to optimize your business website with SEO and all that, but if you want to generate the traffic that keeps your brand relevant and converts, then you have to spend money on ads. The problem is that online advertising can be a tricky business. If you try and run your own advertising campaigns without knowing much about online ads, then you risk spending a lot of money without ever seeing good results. If you pay someone else or a company to run the ads for you, you also risk spending a lot of money without ever seeing the results they promise. More often than not, all these companies do is to bleed you out for advertising money. Here's where we come in. So what if we told you that we can teach you the secrets to run online ad campaigns that not only generate tons of traffic, but also at the lowest cost possible? Doesn't that sound like a good deal? Then hear us out, because we're just about to teach you the strategies that will help you generate traffic that converts for less than it costs you to buy a cup of coffee. Enter the Instant 2 cents Traffc method. The Instant 2 cents Traffc method is a collection of online ad strategies that we've designed to generate instant traffic for the lowest cost. With these strategies, you'll be able to drive cost-effective instant traffic from the most active, relevant, and actionable traffic sources on the internet. If your goals include generating instant traffic the easiest way possible on a tight budget, driving targeted visitors to your landing pages affordably, funneling qualified leads from social media without spending a small fortune on influencers, then this is the right training for you. Try it out today, and you'll know what the fuss is all about. Ready to get started? Then see you in the next lesson. Researching instant 2 cents traffic keywords to target in your niche. Hello there, everyone. We're as eager as you are to start off this awesome journey. So let's kickstart this training with Lesson 1. Before you even consider launching a cost-effective online ad campaign to generate instant low-cost traffic, it is important that you know the audience that you want to target. And part of knowing that audience is knowing what keywords they are using to find content in your industry or niche. So in this lesson, we are going to show you the smartest and quickest way to find these keywords using tools that you already have. Getting started. You have to start your keyword research with the Google Keyword Planner. The Keyword Planner is an online tool that allows you to find keywords and search terms based on a single niche keyword. With this tool, you'll be able to find the lowest cost keywords that generate instant traffic. To access the Keyword Planner, go to the https://ads.google.com/en/tool/keyword-planner/URL in your browser while logged into your Google account. Once on the Keyword Planner page, click on the Sign In button. Finding your 2 cents keywords. Next, click on Discover New Keywords. There are 2 ways to discover new keywords on this page. If you select to start with keywords, you have to enter a keyword or search term into the text field. If you select Start with a website, you'll have to enter a website or page into the domain or page field. This can be a great method if you already have a content-optimized blog that the tool can use to scan for keywords. For this example, we're going to click on the Start with Keywords tab to use a niche keyword to find our 2 cents keywords. When selecting this method, enter your base keyword into the keyword field. To get the lowest cost keyword recommendations, we recommend that you enter a search term instead of a plain keyword. That way, you'll find long-tail keywords that are associated with your content and search queries. Here you can add more than one keyword or search term. Additionally, you can enter your website's URL address or a competitor's website URL address into the URL field below to use that website as a filter for those keywords. You can do this if you want to get very narrow keyword recommendations, but getting broader recommendations can help you find cheaper keywords. Now that you've entered your keyword search criteria, click on the Get Results button. Let's now look at the results under the Keyword Ideas column. Here's how you will identify 2 cents keywords, or keywords that will help you generate relevant traffic instantly at the lowest cost possible. First, look under the Average Monthly Searches column. Identify keywords that get between 1K to 10K and 10K to 100K searches a month. This is the type of traffic that you need to generate. Alright, next, look at these same keywords under the Competition column and identify which ones have low competition. These are the keywords that are not being targeted as much by advertisers, so their bids are low cost. Lastly, look under the top of the page bid, low range, and find out which of the high traffic, low competition keywords you already identified attract top of the page bids that are under 80 cents. This is the lowest cost you'll pay for instant traffic that drives action. Saving your 2 cents keywords. Now it is time to save these keywords into a spreadsheet document. This is the smartest way to have them handy whenever you need to set up a campaign. Get an Excel document or another type of XML document ready. Name it 2 cents instant traffic keywords, and add a keyword column, a monthly searches column, and a top-of-the-page bid column to this document. Now add one by one the keywords that you identified in the previous step. First, by adding the keyword into the keyword column, then by adding its average monthly searches to the monthly searches column, and then by adding its respective top-of-the-page bid to the top-of-the-page column. You can now use this document to know which keywords you can target on a campaign and how much you'll spend according to the objective you set. You can also use these keywords to find out which websites and other online places your audience visits by doing a quick Google search. And this is it for now, my friends. Next up, we'll be showing you how to set up search campaigns on top advertising platforms at the lowest cost possible, the right way. We'll see you in the next lesson. Generating instant 2 cents traffic with a reach campaign on Facebook. Hey there, everyone. Facebook is, as of now, the most popular and cost-effective advertising platform on the internet. With millions of active users and hyper-targeting features, it lets you generate tons of instant traffic at a very, very low cost. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up an ad campaign that reaches thousands of people and that will help you send lots of instant traffic to all your sites and pages at the lowest cost possible, step by step. Creating a reach campaign. You can create Facebook ad campaigns through the Ads Manager. To access the Ads Manager, go to the https://www.facebook.com/adsmanager/creation URL in your browser while logged into your Facebook account. That URL will take you directly to the campaign creation page. Once there, click on Reach under the Marketing Objective column. This objective will allow you to show your ad to as many users as possible for a low cost. Select this objective and then enter the name of your new ad campaign into the campaign name field. Next, click on the Set Up Ad Account button. On the following page, enter your account country, your currency, and your time zone. Then click on Continue to move to the next step. Setting up the campaign's ad set. Next up, you have to set up your ad set for this campaign. Start by entering the name of your new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now click on the Facebook page menu to select the page you want to promote in your ad. Let's now go to the Audience section. Here you will have to set up the audience that you are going to target. It is key that you target the correct audience to get the most traffic out of your total ad spend. First, click on the Edit button in Locations to select your target locations. Here you can type the name of your target location in the text field above the map and click on it to select it. You can select more than one target location. You can select to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now click on the Edit button in the Age section to select the base and top age of your target audience. Now go to the Gender section to select the gender of your audience. Now click on the Edit button in the Detailed Targeting section. Here you can select to include or to exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can do this by typing a keyword or an interest into the Add Demographics, Interests, or Behaviors field, and then selecting the item that best matches or describes your audience. This will help you lower the cost of your traffic by only showing your ad to people that match that attribute in their profiles. You can also find attributes by clicking on Browse to find attributes in the Demographics, Interests, and Behaviors menus. Now click on Show More to further define your audience. First, click on the Edit button on Languages to select the language or languages that your audience speaks. This way, you'll avoid showing your ad to people that speak a different language, which would be a waste of money. Now click on the Edit button in the Connection section. Here you can select users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. Now move to the Placement section. Here you can select between automatic placements or edit placements. If you select automatic placements, you will show your ads to all users on all devices across multiple placements, including Instagram and the audience network. If you select edit placements, you can select where you want to show your ads and on what devices. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you have to select a budget and a schedule for your campaign. First, click on the Budget menu button to select a budget strategy. We recommend you to select Daily Budget to have more control over your ad spend. Next, enter your maximum bid into the bid control box. Here we recommend you to enter the top of the page bid amount you got according to the keywords that you'll target as interests. In general, you'll pay much less than your maximum bid because bids on Facebook are cheaper than on the Google network. Now on Schedule, you can select to run my ad set continuously starting today to run your ads until you stop them manually. Or you can select to set a start date and an end date to schedule when your ads start running. For this example, we'll select Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today. You can click on Continue when you are done to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad for this campaign. First, enter the name of your new ad into the Ad Name field. In the Identity section, you can change the page that you selected to promote when you set up the ad set. Now select your ad format. This type of campaign allows you to select carousel or single image or video. For this example, let's select single image or video. Next, you have to upload or select media for your ad. Click on the Add Media menu button to add an image or video to your ad, or click on Create Slideshow if you want to create a slideshow ad. Alternatively, you can click on Use a Video Template to create a video ad from a template. Now move to the Text section. Here you have to add your ad copy and your URLs. Start on the text field. Type your ad copy in there. Now check the Add a Website URL option and enter your site's URL or landing page URL into the Website URL field. You can also add a headline and description to your ad, but these are optional. Click on the Call to Action menu if you want to add a Call to Action button to your ad. You can select No Button if you want to use a specific CTA button on your ad. Lastly, check out your ad in the Ad Preview window. Review your ad settings and click on Confirm to submit your ad for approval. It normally takes less than 15 minutes to start running your ad after this. And that's it. Next up, we'll be showing you how to set up a reach campaign on the Google network. See you in the next lesson. Generating instant 2 cents traffic with the reach campaign on Google. Hey there, friends! Google is still the biggest search engine in existence, and a great source of instant low-cost traffic thanks to that. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up a reach campaign on the Google Ads network to funnel Google visitors to all your websites and pages at a very, very low cost. Getting started. You can create Google Ads through the Google Ads dashboard. To access this dashboard, go to the ads.google.com URL in your browser while logged into your Google account. Creating and launching the ad campaign. Once in your Google Ads dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab located in the left-hand menu. Now click on the plus button, and then on the New Campaign option. Now it is time to select Reach as your campaign objective. To do this, click on the Brand Awareness and Reach option in the Campaign Goals section. Next, select Display as a campaign type. Now enter your business website's URL address into the Business Website field, and then click on Continue. On the following page, enter the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field. Now select your locations to target in locations. If your target location is not on the list, enter the name of your location into the Enter a Location field, and then select it from the results. Now go to Languages, and enter the name of the languages that you want to target into the Enter a Language field, then select them from the results. Now go to the Bidding section. Start by making sure that Viewable Impressions is selected as the bid strategy. Next, move to the Budget section and enter the amount you'll spend daily. Here, we recommend you to start at $5. You'll get plenty of reach and traffic at this low cost. Now scroll down to the Start and End Date section. Here you can select when to start running your ads. Select None if you want to set a schedule so your ads start running right when you set up the campaign. Or select a date to set a start date and an end date. For this example, we'll select None. Now in the Frequency Capping section, you can set a frequency cap to limit the number of times that an ad is shown to the same user. This is a good way to lower your ad spend because it helps you avoid showing the same ad to users that won't click on them. By default, Google optimizes frequency capping automatically, based on how often your ad shows, but you can set your own frequency cap by selecting Set Limit. If you select this option, we recommend that you set the following criteria: each ad to 1 per day. For this example, however, we're going to select Let Google Ads optimize how often ads show to automate our frequency cap. Alright, now it is time to set up the ad group. Start by entering the name of this campaign's ad group into the Ad Group Name field. Now move to the Audience section to define the audience that you want to see your ads. Start by editing the targeted audiences. Here you can use the search menu to search and select attributes and interest by entering keywords into the Search and Filter field or by selecting them directly from the menu below. Or you can click on Browse to find attributes using the Affinity Audience, In-Market, and Remarketing menus. Next, click on the Demographics tab to edit the targeted demographics. Here you can select gender, age, parental status, and household income bracket to further define your targeted audience. Next, scroll down to the Ad Group Bid section and enter a top-of-the-page bid into the Bid Amount field. Now it is time to create the ad for this campaign. Click on the New Ad button to get started. Next, click on New Responsive Display Ad. Next, click on Images and Logos. Here the platform will scan the website you entered at the beginning for images so you can use them on your ad. In this example, we're going to pick an image from this selection, but you can also upload your own images. You can add one logo and one landscape image to an ad, and you simply have to select by clicking either on Use as Logo or on Use as Image. You can click on Save after you select your logo and image. Optionally, you can also upload a video by clicking on Video. For this example, we'll skip this to start adding the ad copy. Here you have to add a headline, a subheadline into the long headline field, a description, and the name of your brand or business into the business name field. Now click on Add to Ad Group to finish this ad and add it to the campaign. Finally, you can click on Create Campaign to launch your instant traffic generating ad. And that's it. Next, we'll be showing you how to create a reach campaign for YouTube too, so stay tuned. Generating instant 2 cents traffic with a reach campaign on YouTube. Hey there, friends! YouTube is an undisputable instant traffic powerhouse. With millions upon millions of users watching billions of hours of video views daily, you'd be wrong not to advertise your stuff there. That's why in this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up a reach campaign for YouTube step by step. Getting started. Because YouTube is a Google platform, you have to create your YouTube ads through the Google Ads dashboard. So, start by visiting the ads.google.com URL in your browser while logged into your Google account. Creating and launching the ad campaign. Creating an ad campaign for YouTube is very similar to creating an ad campaign for Google. First, click on the Campaigns tab. Then click on the plus button. Next, click on New Campaign. On the next page, select Brand Awareness and Reach as the campaign goal. Now select Video as the campaign type. When you select Video as a campaign type, you'll be able to select from a variety of campaign subtypes. To get affordable and efficient reach, select Skippable In-Stream as the campaign subtype. This campaign subtype allows you to show video ads that people can skip, and you'll only pay when someone views the ad. You can click on Continue after selecting this campaign subtype. Now it is time to start configuring the campaign. First, enter the name of this campaign into the Campaign Name field. Now go to the Budget and Date section. Start by selecting a budget strategy. Here we recommend you to select Daily so you can have greater control over your ad spend by setting a daily maximum. Next, enter the average you want to spend each day into the amount field next to this menu. Enter a low amount according to how many impressions and traffic you'd like to generate each day. Now go to Languages to select your target languages, and then to Locations to set your target locations. Now it is time to set up the ad group. Start by entering the name of the ad group into the Ad Group Name field. Now move to the People section to define your target audience. First, click on the Demographics tab to select your targeted audience's gender, age, parental status, and household income bracket. Next, click on the Audiences tab to define the attributes and interests of your audience. Use the search menu to search, filter, and select attributes and interests using keywords. Or use the Browse tab to find this data using the Affinity Audience, In-Market, and Remarketing menus. Now go to the Content section to define the content that you'll target on YouTube. What this means is that you'll select the keywords, topics, and placements that define your audience. This will further optimize your budget for relevant, low-cost traffic. Start by clicking on the Keywords tab. Here you have to enter the keywords that you added to your keywords file into the Keywords field. Now click on the Topics tab to select the topic of the videos where you want to show your YouTube ads. Lastly, click on the Placements tab to select specific placements to show your ads. Placements you can select include YouTube channels, YouTube videos, popular content, websites, apps, and app categories. Please keep in mind that selecting high-traffic placements can increase your ad spend, so select carefully. Next, move to the Bidding section and enter a top-of-the-page bid into the bid amount field. The amount you enter here will correspond to the higher top-of-the-page bid in your keywords file. Now it is time to create your video ad. Start by selecting the YouTube video that you'll use as the ad. You can either insert the URL of the video you'll use into the YouTube video field, or you can type the name of the video to search it, and to select it from the results. Now enter your landing page into the final URL field. You can check the call to action box to add a CTA button and a headline to your video ad, but this is optional. Next, select how you'll generate your companion banner. Select Auto Generate to generate your banner using videos from your channel, or select Upload an Image to upload your own companion banner. Now enter the name of your video ad into the Ad Name field, then click on Save and Continue. Finally, review your campaign settings and click on Continue to Campaign. And that's it! You'll now generate instant traffic at a low cost from one of the most visited websites on the planet. Driving instant 2 cents targeted visitors to your site with a Facebook ad. Hey there, friends! A reach campaign is a great way to generate instant traffic by showing your ads to as many people as possible. But there's a way to generate traffic directly. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to create a traffic generation campaign on Facebook that you can optimize to get 2 cents instant traffic on the fly. Creating a traffic campaign. Start on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard by going to the https://www.facebook.com/adsmanager/creation URL in your browser while logged into your Facebook account to go directly to the campaign creation page. Next, click on the traffic option in the marketing objective column. Now enter the name of your new ad campaign into the campaign name field, and then click on the Ad Set tab located in the left-hand sidebar. Setting up the ad set. Let's now set up the ad set for this campaign. Start by entering the name of the new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now select Website as a traffic destination in the Traffic section. Now go to the Audience section. Start by setting your target locations in the Location section. Then set the age and gender of your target audience. Now click on the Edit button in the Detailed Targeting section to select the interests and behaviors that you want to target. Next, click on Show More to set your target languages and your connections. For this example, let's select Exclude people who like your page to help you avoid paying for clicks from people who already engage with your brand on Facebook. Lastly, click on the Save This Audience button. Enter a name for this audience in the Audience Name field and click on Save, so you can use this audience when setting up the following campaigns. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section and set the following configurations. First, select Daily Budget as your budget strategy. Next, enter a budget amount of $5 to $10. Now make sure that Link Clicks is selected as the optimization strategy, and then enter the lowest top of the page bid amount in your keywords file into the Cost Control field. Enter a bid that is between 20 cents to 30 cents. You can now click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. First, enter the name of this new ad into the Ad Name field. Now click on the Facebook Page menu button and select the page that you want to represent your business in the ad. Next, select your ad format. This type of campaign allows you to select carousel, single image or video, and collection. Let's select single image or video to set up this example. Now move to the Media section to select or upload an image or video to your ad. Now go to the Link section. Add your ad copy into the primary text field. You can also add a headline and description to your ad, but these are optional. Now select Website as the destination and enter your website's URL address or landing page URL into the Website URL field. Lastly, preview this ad in the Ad Preview window, review your ad settings, and click on Confirm to submit your ad. It'll start running shortly after, and you'll start sending lots of instant traffic from Facebook to your destinations at the lowest cost possible. Targeting Gmail users with instant 2 cents traffic display ads. Hey there everyone! People are more likely to check on content when it is sent to their email inboxes. Because of this, Google has designed a solution for advertisers that want to reach an audience on Gmail, the most popular email service provider in the world. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to easily design an instant traffic generating ad campaign to reach Gmail users step by step. Getting started. Gmail is a Google service just like YouTube, so you have to create Gmail ad campaigns through the Google Ads dashboard. You can go to your Google Ads dashboard by visiting the ads.google.com URL while logged into your Google account. Creating the Gmail ad campaign. Once in the dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab. Next, click on the plus button and then on New Campaign. On the following page, select Website Traffic as the campaign goal. Next, select Display as a campaign type. Now select Gmail Campaign as a campaign subtype. Enter your website's address URL into the Business Website field and click on Continue. Now it is time to start configuring the campaign. First, enter the name of this new campaign into the Campaign Name field. Next, select your target locations and your target languages. Now move to the bidding section and make sure that clicks is selected as a bidding strategy. This will allow you to focus your campaign on generating clicks for instant traffic. Now go to the budget section and enter the average you want to spend each day on this campaign. Now it is time to create the ad group. Start by entering the name of this campaign's ad group into the ad group field. Then move to the People section to define the Gmail audience that you want to reach. Start by clicking on the Keywords tab to enter the keywords that you added to your keywords file into the Keywords field. Next, click on the Audiences tab to define the attributes and interests of your audience. Use the search menu to search, filter, and select attributes and interests using keywords, or use the Browse tab to filter your results using the Affinity Audience, In-Market, and Remarketing menus. Lastly, click on the Demographics tab to select your targeted audience's gender, age, parental status, and household income bracket. Now go to the Ad Group Bid section to enter the maximum bid that you are willing to pay per click. The amount you'll enter here will be the maximum top-of-the-page bid in your keywords file. Now it is time to create the ad. Click on the New Ad button, and then click on New Gmail Ad. Now enter the name of your brand or business into the business name field. Now add your ad's headline and description. Next, you have to add an asset to your Gmail ad. You can add images, videos, or both. In this example, we'll add images to the ad. Let's start by clicking on the Images button. When using this option, select or upload an image to use as a logo, and another image to use as a marketing image, and then click on Save. If you're promoting a product line and would like to showcase the products in the ad, you can click on the Ad Catalog Images button. You can then click on Add to Ad Group after you are done customizing this ad to add the ad to the campaign. You can create additional ads for this campaign by clicking on the New Ad button and following the previous steps. Finally, you can click on Create Campaign to finish setting up your new Gmail campaign. On the following page, review your campaign settings and click on Continue to Campaign. And that's it. Now you can start attracting instant traffic from Gmail at the lowest cost possible. Generating instant 2 cents targeted traffic from Facebook Messenger. Hey there, friends! Right now, Facebook Messenger is perhaps the most popular instant messaging platform around. And thanks to Facebook's reach and powerful advertising tools, it's also become a goldmine for marketers. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to create a Facebook ad for Messenger that looks native, and that'll help you generate lots of instant low-cost traffic. Getting started. Start by logging into your Facebook ads dashboard at https://www.facebook.com/adsmanager/creation to go directly to the campaign creation page. Next, select Messages as your campaign objective. Enter the name of this new campaign into the Campaign Name field below, and then click on the Ad Set tab on the left-hand sidebar. Setting up the campaign. Now it is time to set up the campaign, starting with the ad set. First, enter the name of this campaign's ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Next, select Messenger in the Message Destination section. Now you have to select how you'll reach people with your message. Select Click to Messenger if you want to send people from an ad on Facebook or Instagram to a Messenger conversation on your sponsored page. Or select Sponsored Message if you simply want to send a sponsored message to people who have already started a Messenger conversation with your page. Let's select Click to Messenger so we can funnel as many people as possible from Messenger to a URL. Next, you have to define the target audience. For this example, let's simply select the audience that we saved in the previous lesson. Now go to the Budget and Schedule section. Start here by clicking on the Edit button in Optimization for ad delivery. Then click on the drop-down menu button and select Leads. This optimization strategy will help you generate traffic and leads at the lowest cost possible. Next, select Daily Budget as your budget strategy and enter a budget that is between $5 and $10. Now enter the lowest top of the page bid you find in your keywords file into the bid control field. Now select when to start running your ads, and then click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to start creating your new messenger ad. First, enter the name of this new ad into the ad name field. Next, click on the Facebook page menu and select the Facebook page that you want to represent in your ad. Now select an ad format. Let's select single image or video to set up this example. If you select this format, go to the Media section and click on the Add Media button to select or upload the image or video that you'll use in your ad. Now go to the Ad Setup section to customize your ad copy. First, enter your copy into the text field. Use this field to highlight why the user should start the conversation. In this example, we'll describe a premium incentive that the user can get for free. Next, type your call to action into the headline field. Lastly, scroll down to the Messenger Setup section to compose your message. Select Create Your Own Welcome Experience, and then click on the Edit button under the Standard Template tab to create a series of welcome messages to funnel the user that clicks on the ad to your website or landing page. Start by editing the text greeting. Now use the Frequently Asked Questions fields below to insert your links into the conversation. In this example, we'll add a question that asks about the landing page where the user can download the incentive to the Question 1 field, and then we'll insert the link into the Automated Response field. We'll also add a question that asks about our official business website into the Question 2 field, and then we'll insert the URL into the Automated Response field. You can click on Save Changes when you are done composing your message. Finally, preview your ad. Review your campaign settings and click on Confirm to start running this campaign. Retargeting your Instant 2 cents site visitors with Facebook remarketing. Hey there everyone! Retargeting your existing website visitors can be a great way to generate traffic at a lower cost than usual. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up a remarketing campaign on Facebook that'll help you funnel those visitors from Facebook back to your website. Getting started. First, go to the https://www.facebook.com/adsmanager/manage/URL while logged into your Facebook account. Because retargeting works by tracking people that visit your website, you'll need to install the Facebook tracking code on your website before you set up a remarketing campaign. You will find this tracking code by clicking on the Tools menu button and then on the Pixels option. Now click on the Setup drop-down menu button, and then click on Install Pixel. Next, click on Manually Add Pixel Code to Website. Now click on the pixel code to copy it to your clipboard. Now it is time to install this code on your website. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to install this code on a WordPress website. If you're using WordPress, start on your site's dashboard. Move over the Appearance tab on the dashboard menu and click on Theme Editor. Now locate Theme Header under the Theme Files menu. Click on it. Now locate the less than head greater than tag and paste the code right below this tag. You can click on the Update File button after pasting the code. Go back to Facebook and click on the Continue button. Click on Manually Install Event Code. Now click on the View Content tab and copy the event code below. Go back to the code editor on your website. Locate the >head greater than tag and paste the event code right below this tag. Click on Update File to activate this code. Now go back to Facebook and click on Done. Creating a retargeting campaign. Now it is time to create the retargeting campaign. Start by clicking on the Create Ad button on this page to go to the campaign creation page. Next, select Conversions as a campaign objective. Enter the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field, and then click on the Ad Set column on the left-hand sidebar to start setting up the ad set. First, enter the name of this new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now go to the Conversion section. Select Website and then click on the Choose an Event field. Now click on View Event in the results. Now go to the Audience section to define your target audience. For this example, let's select the saved audience. To select your saved audience, click on the Use a Saved Audience tab and select it from the results. Next, scroll down to the Budget and Schedule section. Select Daily Budget as your budget strategy. Enter a budget of between $5 and $10, and then enter the lowest top of the page bid amount in your keywords file. This will help you target unique visitors at the lowest cost possible. Now select when you want this campaign to start running, and click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. Start by entering the name of this new ad into the Ad Name field. Now click on the Facebook Page menu button and select the page you want to represent in your ad. Because the strategy is to re-engage your existing website visitors, we recommend you to promote a popular content piece or an incentive instead of a simple homepage URL. In this example, we are going to select a popular post from our Facebook page that has a link to a blog post. To select an existing post, click on the Use Existing Post tab. Next, click on the Select Post button below. Now locate and select a popular and engaging Facebook post from under the Facebook Post column, then click on Continue. Finally, preview the ad, review your campaign settings, and click on Confirm to start running this campaign. Generating instant 2 cents traffic from Instagram with a promoted post. Hey there everyone! Instagram generates more engagement and traffic than any other current social media site, and that makes it a powerful source for instant 2 cents traffic. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to easily promote an Instagram post right from your computer and generate instant 2 cents traffic easily the right way. Creating the campaign. You can promote your Instagram post from your Facebook ads dashboard. Go to the https://www.facebook.com/ads-manager/creation URL in your browser while logged into your Facebook account to go directly to the campaign creation page. Now select Traffc as your marketing objective. Now enter the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field. Then click on the Ad Set tab located on the left-hand sidebar to start setting up the ad set on the following page. Setting up the ad set. Start by entering the name of the new ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Now select Website as a traffic destination in the Traffic section. Now go to the Audience section to define your target audience. Because it is recommended that you target the same audience you've been targeting in previous campaigns for the same brand to keep consistency, click on the Use Saved Audience tab and select the audience that you set up during the previous lesson. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. First, make sure that link clicks is selected as your optimization for ad delivery. Next, select Daily Budget and enter an amount between $5 and $10. Next, enter the lowest top of the page bid amount in your keywords file into the bid control field. You can then click on Continue to move to the next step. Creating the ad. Now it is time to create the ad. First, enter the name of this new ad into the ad name field. Now click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that you are going to use in your ad. Make sure that the Facebook page that you select is connected to your Instagram profile. If the page you select is not connected to Instagram, simply click on the Add Instagram account link and follow the on-screen instructions. OK, now click on the Use Existing Post tab. Next, click on the Select Post button. Now click on the Instagram tab in the new window. Select the most popular and engaging Instagram post in your profile and then click on Continue. Now enter your website URL address or landing page URL into the website URL field. Lastly, preview your ad, review your campaign settings, and click on Confirm to start generating instant, cost-effective traffic from Instagram. Generating instant 2 cents traffic from WhatsApp with a promoted message. Hello there, everyone. WhatsApp is the most popular instant messaging app for mobile in the world. And because of this, it is a great platform to generate instant 2 cents traffic. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to generate traffic from WhatsApp real quick with a cost-effective paid campaign the right way. Getting started. You can create ad campaigns for WhatsApp through the Facebook Ads dashboard. Visit the https://www.facebook.com/ads-manager/creation URL to go directly to the campaign creation page. Once there, select traffic as your marketing objective. Enter the name of this new campaign into the campaign name field below, and then click on the Ad Set tab on the left-hand sidebar to set up the ad set on the following page. Setting up the campaign. Start by entering the name of this new ad set into the ad set name field. Next, select WhatsApp as a traffic destination in the traffic section. Now click on the Select Page menu button and select your business's Facebook page from the list. If you haven't connected your WhatsApp account to your page, click on the Connect WhatsApp Account button, enter your phone number, and wait for the verification code to complete the connection. Next, you have to define the target audience. Again, let's select a saved audience to keep consistency and save time. Now go to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you're going to set the same configurations we applied to previous traffic generation campaigns. First, make sure to select link clicks as your optimization for ad delivery. Then select Daily Budget as your budget strategy, and enter an amount between $5 to $10 in the budget field. Now enter the lowest top of the page bid amount in your keywords file into the bid control field. Then click on Continue to start creating the ad on the next page. Creating the ad. Now it is time to start creating your new WhatsApp ad. First, enter the name of this new ad into the ad name field. Next, select the ad format. For this example, let's select single image or video as the ad format. If you select this format, click on the Media button to select or upload the media that you'll use in your ad. In this case, we'll select the logo of our brand. Now move to the link section to add your ad copy. First, enter your copy into the primary text field. Use this space to highlight your offers and value proposition. Next, enter your call to action into the headline field. Finally, preview your ad, review your campaign settings, and click on Confirm to start running this campaign. Now you'll be able to interact with your leads before you send them to your website. Powerful strategies to narrow your audience for even lower cost traffic. Narrowing down your audience comes down to learning exactly whom to target with your ad campaign to get the best results possible. You do this first by knowing your audience well, and then by targeting them properly. Furthermore, narrowing down your audience is also a powerful way to drive more, better qualified traffic at a lower cost because it helps you avoid targeting those that won't mind your ads or content. Here are some strategies that will help you further narrow your audience for lower cost traffic. Promote your best content only. There is always going to be that special content piece that stands out from all your other content. Some call it unicorn content, but we just call it your best content. This is the content that has it all. The perfect headline, the perfect word count, the perfect images, and the perfect levels of engagement. This is the content that brings in the most organic traffic to your website, and the content that generates the most buzz on your social media pages. And this is exactly the content that is more likely to get the attention of users when they see your ads. So you have to focus on promoting these content pieces, be it blog posts or YouTube videos, to reach the people that are genuinely interested in finding the product or service that you offer. Target the audience of your competitors. A very good way to reach people in your niche is by targeting fans of your competitors. After all, they're already engaged with a brand or business in your niche that offers similar products, so it is easier to get to them. There are two easy approaches to this, depending on the ad network you're currently advertising. If you're advertising on Google, you can use competitor analysis tools such as SimilarWeb.com to see where the traffic from top competitor websites go, and then targeting those websites with ads. If you're using YouTube, it'd be enough to select channels and videos targeted at your audience as target properties. And if you're using Facebook, go to the Audience Insights dashboard and start creating an audience. After creating your audience profile, click on the Page Likes tab and see which pages your target audience follows. You can now enter the name of these pages as detailed interests when creating a new audience or a new campaign. Target custom audiences on Facebook. After you set up a remarketing pixel, you will be able to create custom audiences and target them based on the activities you track. For example, you can create custom audiences made of people that visit a certain page on your site, as well as people that stay on that page for a certain amount of time. There are many activities you can track to create your custom audiences. To create a custom audience, you can simply click on the Audiences option from the Tools menu in the Ads Manager, or to click on the Create Custom Audience tab when you start creating an audience for a campaign. Target lookalike audiences on Facebook. Facebook also lets you create lookalike audiences, which are audiences that mirror an existing audience, such as an email list, a customer list, or a saved audience from a previous campaign. You can create lookalike audiences by clicking on the Audiences option from the Tools menu in the Ads Manager, selecting Lookalike Audience, and following the on-screen instructions. Or you can click on the Create Lookalike Audience tab when you start creating an audience for a campaign. Reach focused audiences by targeting combined interests. Sometimes, narrowing down an audience to a single interest won't get you the expected results. This is especially true when you are promoting something that caters to more than one category of interest. For example, if you want to drive traffic to a product page where you are selling a t-shirt that mocks a superhero franchise in your own style, you can't just target fans of that superhero franchise. You have to target people that are in the market for or that are interested in clothing that are also fans of the franchise. Other instant 2 cents traffic sources you can try. Facebook, Google, YouTube, and their partner networks are the biggest players in the online advertising field, but they're not the end game. There are many, many other great ad networks out there that don't get enough love, or that have lost some of their relevance in the wake of the aforementioned platforms. But in this lesson, we're going to show you some of the best, more affordable, and more results-oriented traffic sources out there. Microsoft Advertising. Formerly known as Bing Ads because it was based on the Bing search engine, the Microsoft Advertising platform is now based on the Microsoft Search Network, where you can reach and connect with an audience that makes over 6 billion searches a month. Though it doesn't have the same volume as Google, it more than compensates by providing you with much lower costs, an expanded network, and access to an audience where high earners are the dominant group. Buy-sell ads. Buy-sell ads is a popular option among advertisers because it provides many opportunities for displaying your ads. Basically, it is an ad network that lets you rent ad space on specific blogs and websites. This is a great way to put your ads directly on websites where you know you can generate lots of traffic. The platform is very affordable and doesn't require you to fund your campaigns with a minimum ad spend. Rev Content. Rev Content is a content discovery platform that lets advertisers put their ads on top-tier websites such as Forbes.com and PCWorld.com. Basically, it is a recommendation platform that puts your promoted content front and center on websites that would generate large amounts of very, very qualified traffic to your website. Clicks can be as low as 1 cent up to 30 cents, depending on what you are targeting, what niche, and on which websites, which is still a killer deal if you ask us. Reddit. Reddit is still one of the most widely visited websites in the world, and one where you can advertise your content for lots and lots of traffic. This is because Reddit works like a very large internet forum, where all kinds of people gather to form communities around their interests. This makes Reddit a goldmine for targeted traffic. Please note, however, that Reddit is a platform where you'll most likely succeed promoting content and not so much by driving traffic to product pages and the like. But at a cost of 50 cents for 1,000 qualified impressions, you can't go wrong. Content.ad. Content.ad is a native advertising and content recommendation platform with a huge volume of traffic that can be targeted for pennies a mile. This platform even lets you select the pricing tier based on the type of content and landing page that you are going to promote. Non-commercial content and pages, for example, can bid for clicks for as low as 1 cent. Now, to drive traffic from the entire network to a product landing page, a squeeze page, or to a store, you'll be paying anywhere from 30 cents to 50 cents. Still an excellent deal. Pop ads. Pop ads is a pop-up and pop-under network that is also one of the cheapest ad networks on the entire internet. For as low as $5, you can get up to 1,000 impressions. But that's just an average, as you'll always end up paying much less than that. MGID. MGID is another native advertising network with a large volume of traffic and low advertising costs. It's also a notable network because it allows you to run campaigns in niches that not even most pop-up networks allow you to, such as dating and adult games. Costs per click are also very low. You can target countries and regions such as North America and the United Kingdom and only pay between 3.5 to 4.5 cents per click. Mega Push. Lastly, we have Mega Push, a new and innovative ad network that sends ads through push notifications on mobile and desktop. It has a large inventory of formats that lets you target traffic from all countries, and cost per click can be as low as 1/10 of a cent. Another notable advantage of this network is that it is basically free of invalid traffic, mostly because it uses newer technology. Extra tips and tricks to lower your ad spend without sacrificing quality. Hey there, everyone. We're very proud about every strategy that we've shown you so far, but there's always so much more you can do to improve your campaigns, your traffic, and your expenses. You see, setting up these ad campaigns is only half the job. The other half is applying strategies, tests, and best practices to get the best results at the lowest cost possible. From this lesson onward, we'll be discussing what works best for generating the most traffic at a very low cost. Let's start with a series of tips and tricks to lower your ad spend, without ever sacrificing the quality of your delivery. Stop ads and campaigns with bad click-through rates. You want your ads to send as much traffic to your pages at the lowest cost possible, and click-through rates influence the cost of generating that traffic. The click-through rates are determined by the number of clicks you get per impression. The more clicks you get to your URLs per impression, the lower your ad spend. So what you have to do is to go to your Insights and Reports page on your advertising dashboard And take a look at the click-through rates, or CTR for short. Look for ads with CTR lower than 2% and cut them off from your campaigns. Now, the causes of low CTR vary, from bad ad placement to poor ad design, but a low CTR can lower your ad score and increase your ad spend. Examine the ads with low CTR and seek ways to optimize them. They'll get better click-through rates, and that will help you lower your ad spend. Change the images in your ad. One rule of thumb in online advertising is that you don't let an ad or campaign run indefinitely. That doesn't mean that you have to stop a successful ad campaign every other week to start over from scratch. If an ad is getting lots of traffic and clicks, what you can do instead is to change the image in the ad instead of stopping the campaign altogether. By changing the image, you'll avoid ad fatigue in users that have seen your ad previously. You'll know it is time to stop the ad or campaign once you reach your estimated objectives. Don't limit the scope of your campaigns by optimizing for costs. We know this training is all about generating the most traffic for less, but hear us out. Most ad networks will let you optimize your campaigns to limit your bids to the lowest cost per click, but this strategy can severely cripple the reach of your campaigns. What you have to do instead is to follow our previous advice. Keep an eye on ads with low CTR and change the image in your ads to keep costs low. You won't pay more than a couple of cents more for the more qualified clicks. If you optimize your campaigns for the very lowest cost possible, you're not lowering your cost, you're just cheapening your traffic. And what's traffic that doesn't engage or convert good for? Split your total budget into smaller, more focused campaigns. A final way to keep your ad spend low is to split your total budget into smaller campaigns. By creating several different campaigns targeted at different segments of your audience, you'll be paying only for traffic that is best fitted for each campaign. For example, if you have a campaign to promote the same product to 3 different segments of the same audience, it'll be better to create 3 different campaigns with ad variations targeted at each segment of this audience. Schedule your campaigns to run at the right times. People engage differently at different times on different networks. For example, people on social media tend to engage best in the afternoons, and email leads engage best at noon in the middle of the weekends. Find out what are the best times and days to engage your audience in your platforms of choice, then schedule your campaigns to run your ads at those specific times. This will help you reach the best quality traffic, to get more clicks per impression, and to lower your ad spend. The best alternative methods to generate more instant 2 cents traffic. Traffic generation is always associated either with SEO and other organic strategies or paid ads. But there exists a host of other paid methods that can help you generate more traffic at a low cost. In this lesson, we are going to show you our picks for alternative methods to generate more instant traffic at the lowest cost possible. Starting a referral or affiliate program. If you're learning online marketing, then you're already familiar with affiliate programs. You sign up as an affiliate on a website or store to help it generate traffic, leads, and sales. But did you know that you can start your affiliate program to achieve these same results for your business? Starting a referral or affiliate program is an easy, affordable way to generate more instant traffic for your sites and pages. The best part is that you don't have to pay affiliates up front, as you can simply pay them a commission per objective, such as driving qualified leads to your website. You can set up a program in-house or join an affiliate network such as Commission Junction to let them run and manage the program for you. Distributing content as press releases. You can create variations of your content and distribute them as press releases. There are media outlets that get a lot of its stories and digital content from press release distribution services such as e-releases, which can send tens of thousands of monthly visitors to your website. A good benefit of doing press releases is that you can get contacted by a reporter or agency for an interview or guest post. That creates another great opportunity to build more traffic and recognition. Buying ad space on blogs and e-zines. There are a lot of blogs and e-zines out there that rent space on their websites to let you run your ads. These ad placements are, for the most part, very affordable. sometimes more affordable than running a banner ad on an ad network. Also, e-signs and blogs get visited by an audience that is already qualified to engage with your business. This will help you to generate not only a high volume of traffic, but also an increase in conversions. Getting a micro-influencer on board. Micro-influencers are the next big thing. Micro-influencers are social media influencers with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, and they're better at engaging their audiences because they communicate with truly interested followers only. That makes them perfect for getting results out of their mid-sized audiences. If they tell their audiences to click on a link they share, their followers will click with no hesitation because they trust them. But just don't take our word for it. Let's get the numbers straight. 82% of consumers are eager to buy a product if it is recommended by their favorite micro-influencer. They're affordable and can help you drive a lot of traffic quickly. Promoting video posts on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very overlooked advertising platform, but that might be because it doesn't make as much noise as the most popular entertainment-centric social networks. But LinkedIn can be a great source of traffic when used the right way. And the best way to generate affordable traffic from LinkedIn is with promoted video content. All you have to do is to create an engaging video about a topic your audience is sensible to, and then to upload it on LinkedIn. Once you upload it, use the promote feature to set it up as an ad. You only have to make sure you create a steady series of 5 to 10 videos to promote. Crazy effective strategies to increase free instant traffic. One of the best ways to improve the quality of your traffic while lowering your ad spend is by actually generating organic traffic. This will not only help you to reduce the amount you spend on traffic generation ads, but also to enhance your brand's quality score and your website's ranking. In this lesson, we're going to discuss proven organic strategies that will help you generate tons of free instant traffic easily, the right way. Update and upgrade old content pieces. One thing that differentiates great content from the rest is that it is evergreen. Evergreen content is content that stays relevant and generates instant traffic over time. But because things change really fast all the time, it is important to keep your old evergreen content up to date. All you have to do is to revamp your content with updated information, to clear it of outdated information, to add updated screenshots and videos, to replace outdated links and sources, and to enhance it with links to your other content. To increase its relevance and ranking in search results, simply enhance the title of the content by including relevant keywords and the current year. For example, if the name of your content is generating free instant traffic from video sharing sites, then change it to How to Generate Free Instant Traffic from YouTube and Others in 2019. Add tweetable links on blog posts. You know that one of the best ways to squeeze extra traffic out of your blog posts is sharing it on social media, and by including share buttons on all your content pages. And we have a similar strategy that works even better, using click-to-tweet links. All you have to do is to find phrases in your content that are worth sharing, phrases that you think people would like to quote on social media. Copy those phrases and head over to quicktotweet.com. Sign into the service with your Twitter account. Paste the phrase in the editor and click on Generate New Link. You can embed this link right under the paragraph that contains the phrase, or wherever you quote the phrase in your content. Use a custom link text that reads similar to click to tweet this as a call to action to entice users to click to share. After a user clicks, they will see a Twitter prompt to share. Repurpose content for other traffic sources. You can easily squeeze more traffic out of your content by repurposing it for other traffic sources. It works like this. There are tons of people out there that don't know about your brand or business because they can't find your content. And they can't find your content because it is not in the format that they consume. If you only create written content for your blog, you're missing out on traffic from sites like YouTube. If you produce YouTube videos, then you're missing out on a lot of traffic from search. So, What you have to do then is to start repurposing your content in other formats. If you only produce blog posts, then take your best blog posts and make them into a video for YouTube. That way, you will attract YouTube users looking for the same content, but in video format. Do blogger outreach. Bloggers and podcasters that are considered authorities in your niche can help you generate lots of instant traffic for free. For this, you have to do some blogger outreach. Start by finding the most notable bloggers and podcasters in your niche. Next, contact them to send them a message to tell them these two key things. Introduce yourself and tell them you've just read or listened to their latest piece. Make it a point that you've learned something important out of it. Tell them that you are creating a content piece that covers a similar topic or pain point. Ask them if they'd like you to let them know when you publish it. It is important that you don't ask them to share it. If they say yes, then send them your content and wait. These content creators need content to curate and share to keep their audiences engaged. If they like your content, they will start sharing it. This will also improve your chances of getting guest posting gigs. Optimize your website for mobile. One of the changes that Google introduced to its indexing criteria is that it indexes the mobile version of your website first. So it is no longer enough to get the default mobile version of your site that you get from your content management systems. You have to actually create a properly optimized mobile version of your site. What you have to do is to go to Google's mobile-friendly test page and then enter your website's URL or code into the site's test field, and then to click on Test. This will let Google evaluate how easy it is to navigate your site on a mobile device, and it will provide you with very specific recommendations to optimize the current version of your website. Repost your content on top publishing platforms. You can funnel lots of free instant traffic from top online publishing platforms simply by reposting your content word for word on websites such as medium.com and ezinearticles.com. This will create backlinks for your content that drive relevant traffic. To make the most out of this strategy, promote your reposted content on social media. Once your content starts generating engagement on those websites, it will start getting promoted to those platforms' users. Cheap instant 2 cents traffic do's and don'ts. Do's. Plan out your budget carefully. When your goal is to generate as much traffic as possible at the lowest cost possible, you have to make your budget a part of the plan. Planning out your budget is what will help you set the limit on how much you are willing to spend on each part of your campaign. For example, allocating $5 for testing and $25 for the actual campaign is part of the plan. Monitor your campaigns. It is important that you monitor the performance of your campaigns to learn what works and what doesn't. This will help you to further lower how much you spend on your traffic campaigns. For example, if you were paying $1 for each 1,000 impressions and you were getting 300 clicks, you can monitor where those clicks come from and then test a traffic campaign where you directly target the best sources. Pick the best traffic sources. You have to pick traffic sources that are the best for your business. Not all sources will drive the same amount and quality of traffic to your sites or pages, so targeting the best ones only is crucial to keeping your ad spend low. This all depends on the type of business or product that you are going to advertise. For example, if you are advertising expensive meat packing machinery, your ads will perform better on Google, and that's where you will have to spend your ad money. Collect as much audience data as possible. It is vital that you collect as much information about your target audience with each new campaign that you run. You need to collect information from every user that clicks on your ads, and especially from those that end up returning to your site, and those that complete your desired actions. You will find that these users share very similar attributes, such as language and location. Use this information to narrow down your audience and lower your costs through more effective targeting. Select the right marketing goals. It is important that you select the right marketing goal when you create an advertising campaign. All ad platforms allow you to select traffic generation as a goal, You just have to be careful to select what you will be charged for. For example, you can create a traffic generation campaign where you pay for every 1,000 times users see your ads, regardless of whether they click on it or not. In another, you'll pay for page views, and you'll be charged every time someone clicks on the ad to see the landing page. Don'ts. Don't let your campaigns run indefinitely. Ad campaigns have a limited life cycle of 2 to 3 weeks. Letting them run longer than that makes them look like spam, promotes ad blindness, and increases your ad spend. What you have to do is to simply stop campaigns every 2 or 3 weeks to change the ad design, the copy, and the incentive, as well as to optimize them according to the results you are getting. Don't advertise on crowded websites. Take the time to examine the placements more likely to serve your ads, as well as the e-signs and websites where you plan to rent ad space. Some websites let an excessive number of ads run on their pages in order to maximize profits, but this causes visitors to ignore the ads around the content, including yours. Make sure to block these placements on your advertising dashboards, and avoid advertising on e-signs and websites that abuse ad space. Don't target the same users over and over. Showing the same ad to users that don't take action over and over will affect your ad relevance score. So it is recommended that you control the number of times that you show the same ad to a user to avoid ad fatigue. You can do this by setting a frequency cap on all your campaigns, or by excluding certain people from your campaigns, such as people that are fans of your business page on Facebook when you run Facebook ads. Don't send all traffic to your homepage. Your traffic has to be focused, and that includes the destination. If you send all traffic to your homepage, you miss the opportunity to show users what they really want. Instead, send targeted traffic to a page where they're more likely to engage or take action, such as a blog post, a landing page, or to a storefront. Don't target generic keywords. Targeting generic keywords in search campaigns can have the opposite effect of lowering the ad spend, because they will show your ad to users that won't be interested in your ad. To lower your ad spend, target low-bid keywords that are popular mixed in with high-volume keywords. This will help you show the ad to the largest number of people possible at a low cost, and you'll show them highly relevant keywords that will encourage them to click through. Cheap instant 2 cents traffic premium tools and services to consider. InstaOn. InstaOn is a smart advertising platform for small and medium-sized businesses with budgets of up to $3,000 a month. InstaOn is a simple platform that will only require you to create an account and to set your advertising goals, so it can extract the best keywords from your website to create your ad campaigns automatically. InstaOn also monitors and optimizes your campaigns with daily improvements powered by machine learning. PPC Protect. PPC Protect is a click fraud prevention tool that will help you block fraudulent users and bots from clicking on your ads. PPC Protect has a huge database of VPNs, proxies, and malicious IPs that prevents invalid clicks way before they reach your ads. With this tool actively monitoring your ads, you can generate more relevant traffic at a lowered cost. Kabiro. Kabiro is a marketing and advertising automation tool that will help you to fully automate your search and display campaigns. With Kabiro, you'll be able to create professional ads with just a few clicks in minutes. It also lets you connect your dashboard to your sales and product pages to turn them into high-quality ads. Kabiro takes your best keywords and your website data, then it optimizes your campaigns for traffic. This automated optimization helps you save time and money. SpyFu. SpyFu is a competitor research tool that will help you to get cheap instant traffic by giving you all the tools you need to expose the secret advertising formula of top competitors in your niche. With SpyFu, you'll be able to search for any competitor's domain and see every keyword it has bought on Google Ads and every ad variation they have created in the past years. SpyFu will also help you find negative keyword matches that your competitors already tried and failed to help you lower your ad spend. SEMrush. SEMrush is a competitive analysis tool for professional marketers that is designed to let you see the percentage of traffic that any given competitor is getting from the amount they spend targeting keywords. It also lets you see spending, keyword, and traffic acquisition trends because it tests all its data accurately from current clients. Mention. Mention is a brand monitoring tool that will allow you to discover when and where people are mentioning or discussing your brands or products. Knowing who is talking about your brand will help you profile the perfect audience, and learning where they're doing the talking will help you identify your best traffic sources, which will in turn help you to narrow down your targeting and lower your ad spend. Headline Analyzer. CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer is a browser-based tool that will help you analyze your ad headlines to help you write headlines that drive more traffic. What the Headline Analyzer does is to categorize your headline by intent first. Then it finds the best word balance according to your target audience profile. Lastly, it optimizes your character length. This will help you create more scannable headlines and make it easier for the user to understand your copy, increasing your traffic. Banner Snack. Banner Snack is an affordable online banner maker that will help you create fully responsive banners that you can adapt to any screen size and device quickly and easily, with only a few clicks of your mouse. With Banner Snack, you can create display ads that look professional, in any shape or format, that look stunning on any ad network, and that will help you drive lots of instant traffic with powerful visuals and calls to action. Rocketium. Rocketium is a web-based video editor that will help you create amazing videos for your video ad campaigns in minutes. Video ads generate big-time traffic, but creating video ads can be very, very expensive. But with Rocketium, you'll be able to create your own commercial videos, even if you don't have experience. This is possible thanks to its drag-and-drop interface and features such as auto-resizing that allows you to resize your videos to fit every ad placement possible, which will help you to generate lots of instant traffic from your video ads. Unbounce. Unbounce is a custom landing page builder that will help you design beautiful landing pages that convert better than any website. With Unbounce, you'll not only generate lots of instant traffic at a low cost, you'll also get the best results from your traffic. With over 100 customizable templates, seamless integrations, and advanced targeting features, Unbounce lets you create landing pages that generate enough leads and revenue to help you recoup the money you'll invest in the tool. Cheap instant 2 cents traffic success stories. Renus Fisher. Renus Fisher is a web and app developer, photographer, entrepreneur, and investor. Objective. Renus's objective was to drive more traffic from Georgia, the country he currently resides in, to blog posts that are relevant to the country's audience. Strategy. Renus experimented with $4 a day Facebook ad campaigns and targeted people in Georgia and close countries. Results? His top-performing ads not only generated over 500 clicks per day to his website, they also didn't reach the total daily budget, and most of the traffic was generated by shares. Viral Lumos. Viral Lumos is an outsourcing company that creates and maintains websites for businesses and online marketers. Objective. The company's objective was to drive targeted traffic from Facebook to monetize a website. Strategy. The team at Viral Lumos promoted a series of Facebook page posts to drive traffic to a Facebook page first, to engage that traffic with organic posts, and then to send it to a website. The team added a total budget of $7 a day. Results? The company reached over 40,000 people, generated over 9,000 page fans, and over 600 clicks per post per day. We Squeak. We Squeak is an e-commerce retailer that sells fun, comfortable shoes for little girls and boys. Objective. The company's objective was to drive cheap traffic to its lead capture pages to build a mailing list. Strategy. The company created Facebook ads and used detailed targeting to reach stay-at-home moms interested in clothing for children. Results? The campaign drove traffic that generated a $40 return on investment for every $1 spent on ads. Carrie's Fresh. Carrie's Fresh is an online fruits and vegetables delivery service company from the United Kingdom. Objective. The company's objective was to improve its online presence and drive more traffic to its sales pages, all while reaching its financial targets. Strategy. The company split-tested Facebook ads against Google search ads. It funneled traffic from both sources to see which generated better results at a lower cost. Results? The company got costs per click that were 71% cheaper on average from Facebook ads and generated over 6,000 clicks to its website, each click at a 40-cent or less cost. Jenny Eden. Jenny Eden is an eating psychology coach and founder of Jenny Eating Coaching. Objective. Jenny wanted to move more traffic down a funnel that she designed for one of her newer products. Strategy. Jenny created a series of Facebook ads targeted at an audience similar to her email list. She funneled the traffic generated by those ads to a sign-up page. Results? In less than a week, and for less than $7 a day, Jenny was able to drive 32 clicks to her website, which generated 53 website conversions. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management service for online brands. Objective. The company wanted to test what type of results they could get by using low-cost ads on Facebook. Strategy. The company set up a simple engagement campaign targeted at U.S. users interested in social media. They set up a daily budget of only $5. Results? They were able to reach almost 800 people a day and generated 9 page likes and 1 link click a day from the Facebook page traffic. Brian Carter. Brian Carter is a Facebook marketing and advertising expert. He's also the author of The Like Economy, a book about the power of Facebook marketing. Objective. Brian's objective was to demonstrate that it is possible to generate significant reach and traffic by spending only $1 a day on Facebook ads. Strategy. Brian ran a reach campaign on Facebook for 30 days, and he set a daily budget of $1. Results? Brian was able to reach over 4,000 people every day and generated over 200 daily clicks to a website at a little over 10 cents each. Kathleen Kastner. Kathleen Kastner is a vegan and wellness coach from San Diego. Objective. Kathleen wanted to increase awareness of her coaching brand by driving traffic from Facebook to her blog and lead capture pages. Strategy. Kathleen created a Facebook ad to drive traffic to an ungated blog post where she also offered a content upgrade. She targeted an audience that was similar to her email contacts and assigned a daily budget of $10. Results? Kathleen was able to achieve a click-through rate of over 5%, a relevance score of 10 out of 10, and a cost per conversion of 65 cents, all for only $10 a day. Servando Silva. Servando Silva is the successful blogger and affiliate marketer behind Stream SEO, a popular online marketing blog. Objective. Servando wanted to test whether it was possible to generate a positive return on investment with a low budget by trying an uncommon traffic generation strategy. Strategy? Servando created a traffic generation campaign on Facebook to send people to a landing page that described an affiliate offer. This landing page had a CTA button that sent people to the sales page. Results? Servando only invested $20 on the campaign, yet generated 198 page visits that earned him $100 in commissions, which is a 500% return on investment. Mary Fernandez. Mary Fernandez is a digital marketing strategist that helps people create passive income sources. Objective. Mary's objective was to grow the number of email subscribers from her blog and website. Strategy. Mary set up a conversions campaign on Facebook to drive traffic to her lead capture pages. She set up a daily budget of only $5 to get results for as cheap as possible. Results? Mary reached over 70,000 people and generated enough traffic to convert more than 500 people in a little over a month. Instant 2 cents Traffc frequently asked questions. Is there a more cost-effective method than online ads to generate traffic? Short of organic strategies and giving a paper with your URLs to people on the streets, there's no method to drive online traffic at a lower cost than online ads. With online ads, you can generate traffic for as low as $1 a day. Does it cost the same to advertise on all ad networks? The cost of online advertising is mostly influenced by how well you optimize your campaigns. However, we found that it can be way cheaper to advertise on social networks, especially on Facebook, than on search and display networks, such as Google. For example, a video campaign on YouTube, which is part of the Google Ads network, can cost you up to 3 to 4 times more than on Facebook. What elements can affect your ad spend outside of your campaign budget? There are a number of things that can greatly affect how much you end up spending on a single campaign at any given time. The majority of marketers focus on estimated metrics, but you also have to consider the money you're going to spend on your campaign assets. These include the money you'll spend on images for your ad, the money you'll invest producing a killer video for a campaign, or the money you'll spend on creating a lead magnet for the landing page where you'll drive traffic to. It's all part of the expense. Is there something you should pay attention to besides targeting that can help you advertise at a low cost? It is crucial that you understand long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are a combination of keywords and search terms that can be used by potential visitors and customers at any given time when searching for content in your niche. Long-tail keywords are not necessarily high-traffic keywords, but they can help you attract the best type of traffic for your business at the lowest cost to you. What's the most cost-effective ad format for each ad network? Currently, the domineering type of ad networks are search and display. Google is mainly a search network, while social media can be a combination of both, depending on your objective. On Google, text is the most cost-effective ad format because it mixes in with the intent of the user. On Facebook and other social platforms, display is the more effective format. What's an important side activity that will help you keep your ad costs low? Tracking, hands down. Tracking the performance of your campaigns will help you to see what's working and what is not, and will allow you to optimize your campaigns accordingly. Besides, tracking is free and easy. You only have to sign up for a Google Analytics account and generate your tracking codes. Then you will be able to create custom URLs that will track the performance of each one of your ads. What other objectives can you achieve by generating traffic at a low cost? Generating traffic at the lowest cost possible is also a great way to achieve other objectives to grow your brand's online presence. Even if the people that you reach with your ads don't go to your website or pages, they're still going to see your ads and will learn to recognize your brand. Is revenue the ultimate goal of low-cost traffic? Revenue is the ultimate goal of your overall marketing campaign. But unless you're investing thousands of dollars in traffic, you won't see much revenue from low-cost traffic. What you'll see, however, are conversions that can generate opportunities for revenue, such as sign-ups that generate affiliate commissions. What key metrics are in direct association to low-cost traffic? Click-through rates are the obvious metric associated with low-cost traffic because it is the number of people that you funnel to your sites and pages at a low cost. Depending on your objectives, other key metrics include conversion rates, page views and sessions, or the amount of time each user spends on the destination linked to your ads. What are the chances of going viral from generating low-cost traffic? There are a number of elements that influence whether a campaign will go viral at a low cost. First, you have to promote a piece of content with viral potential, something that drives an instant emotional reaction in the audience. Second, you have to target it to a broad audience. This would work best on social networks, where you can target an audience based on interests and placements, which is more cost-effective than targeting broad traffic keywords. And third, whether the audience shares the promoted content or not, which is hard to predict.